Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apify to Claude AI in 2026. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to come here on console.apify.com. Now over here, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now when you log in into your account, you just have to simply hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of settings. Now when you are here inside the settings, you just have to look for the option of API and integrations. Now, when you are here, you will be shown your default API token, which is created on sign up. So from here, you just have to copy this particular API token. Afterwards, you just have to open a new tab in the search bar. Here, when you search for it, you just have to simply look for Claude.ai. Now, when you are here on Claude.ai, its interface is going to look something like this when you log in into your account. So over here, among the given options in the left hand section, you just have to click on the option of customize. Afterwards, you will be shown this particular section that says connect your apps. When you click on this particular section, you just have to basically see all of the applications that you can basically connect with Claude AI. So since you want to connect Apify, you just have to simply search for Apify here in the search bar. Now, when you are able to find the Apify application, as you can see it over here, it is available. You just have to click on the option of plus right next to it. Now, here is one important thing. In order to basically download this particular extension, you need to have Claude for your desktop available. So simply click on the option of download and you need to download the Claude application on your device. After downloading it, you will be redirected in the extensions section where you will be shown the section where you just have to add the API token. So you just have to simply paste this particular token which we have just copied from here inside Claude AI Apify extension, and this way both of these will be connected and you will be able to use it very easily. So thank you.